So I hadn't seen a TracTuff video on how to install a piece that prevents the timing cover oiling problem. So this is what you get. And Robert got it to me pretty quickly. A couple of things he said he's changed is these little angles in the corner right here and here, basically so the door doesn't stick when it gets oily. And so instructions are pretty good, I think. If I know what I'm doing, it will go something exactly like that. And so this bolt here, and this bolt here will all get removed and reinstalled, and then this one up here will need to be tapped. Let's see if I can get a better angle on it. Or better lighting. There we go. Top one needs to just be tapped through, and then that bolt right there gets removed and replaced, removed and replaced, removed and replaced. And that's pretty much all it looks like it takes. Pretty simple on my car because there's no subframe to get in the way, but probably shouldn't be too much harder on anything else. Looks like a 20-minute install, and so I didn't see anything on this part online when I looked, so hopefully this will help someone. I'll try and shoot some more videos that are helpful as I add parts.